Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for February 8th with your currency update for the day. We'll take first take a quick peek at some of the developments in the overnight. We did see equity prices kind of maintain the levels where they closed at yesterday. We did see some strong Chinese trade data that came in. Chinese exports are up 25% from last year at this point, so I think that's something that the market is going to like here this morning. We are starting to see equity prices start to drift higher as the morning moves on, and we are seeing the dollar kind of falling back a little bit here from its recent highs up around 80.30. Right now we're trading right around 80.18, down 7 points on the morning. That market has been on a tear since we bottomed out just below 79 at 78.90 late last week. Conversely, we're seeing the euro currency drop back very strong from the levels we saw. We saw it trading late last week up around 137. Here we are, option expiration day. We're trading below 134 right now. We're down about 15 points on the morning. We did see ECB monetary policy come out yesterday, and Mario Draghi made some statements saying that they are very concerned over the overvalued level of the euro. So that's providing some downward pressure in the euro currency. Also, we're seeing borrowing costs in Italy and Spain back on the table. We're starting to see those costs start to rise. Yields are rising. So there's still some significant debt problems that the Eurozone is faced with, and that's also contributing to the downside in the euro currency. However, I do think the U.S. dollar is going to take a little bit of a breather from these levels. And I think you could see the euro bounce back towards 134.50 by the end of today's session. So we'll see how that plays out. Taking a look at the Australian dollar real quick, 102.95. That's up 44 points on the morning. However, we did see the Bank of Australia come out early on in the week. They held rates steady. I believe a lot of investors were looking for a bounce in the rates. So right now we are seeing that market come back a little bit, but we did see it fall pretty strong from north of that 104 level about midweek. So I think it's just a little bit of a correction in that market. I think that market will attack 102 eventually. So that's all I have for you. If you want to talk about some of the other foreign currencies, please feel free to give me a call anytime. We can talk technicals, fundamentals. Give me a call, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.